Which one of the following most closely resembles the graph of f of x equals a times x minus h squared plus k if a is less than 0, h is greater than 0, and k is less than 0? Is it A, where we have a parabola opening downward shown entirely in the fourth quadrant? Is it B, also entirely shown in the fourth quadrant, this time opening up? Is it C, a parabola opening downward shown entirely in the second quadrant? Or D, a parabola opening upward shown entirely in the first quadrant? The first thing we'll notice is that we're told that a is less than 0. Since a is less than 0, the function that we are given is the graph of a parabola that opens down, not up. Therefore, we can eliminate the parabola in choice B and the parabola in choice D. We're also told that h is greater than 0 and k is less than 0. This means that the vertex h, k will be in quadrant 4. Therefore, the graph that most closely resembles the graph of the function is the graph shown in part A, which is a parabola opening down with the vertex in the fourth quadrant.